اوكي، بنعلق عليه في نهاية اللكتشر. الجماعة الموجودين اللي للحين ما صوتوا ممكن يصوتون أيضا. صارت أشياء غريبة بس أوكي. نايس. هذه الوايت بورد اللي قبلي اللي كنت أستخدمها أنا، اللي ما أدري شلون راح وتغير ورجع باك من أحسن ما يمكن. How? I don't know.
هاي وايد أحسن دكتور.
بس ما أدري شلون راح عني ورجع باك. ما أدري. أنا ما سويت له شيء حق الكمبيوتر علشان أرجع باك، ولا سويت شيء عشان يروح ويعطيني another version يعني.
كنت ولا أبديت أو شيء.
أبديت دائما المفروض يصير إلى الأفضل، اللي أعطاني الأتعس. anyway. Just one part for the square, then we will go for another one. So this is t, and this is my x of t. Okay, as you see that this is t period, this is a, and this is minus a. So here we said that x of t equal to 1 over j 1 over k, 1 over j k 2 pi or 2 pi, summation of 1 over k from 1 to infinity, k belongs to odd, e to the power of j k omega naught t. هذا صح أظن ولا لا؟ أظن يس يا واحد يتأكد لي بس على ما أذكر. yes, this is correct. Okay, a of k for this one, it is equal to 2 j, I cannot omega naught or pi, هذه pi 2 pi k. عشان ما أحل بس واحد يتأكد لي لو سمحتوا هذه. is it correct؟ قبل ما أواصل الحل.
أظن كانت 2a over jk.
لا طالع النوت، طالع النوت.
إيه مكتوبة كذي.
2a
over jk باي.
jk باي. أوكي نسينا ال a. أوكي حلو. طيب this one كم الماgnitude؟ This is complex. Okay. هذه form number 1. So then AK is complex. So what is the magnitude of AK? كم الماgnitude? Magnitude, and if you write this one, it is equal to 0 minus j 2a divided by k pi. Okay, so then this is in rectangular. In polar since x equal to 0, then it is equal to this one, 2a divided by k pi, and without minus. Angle, so again, rectangular equal to 0, then it is equal to minus tan inverse this divided by 0, which is equal to pi over 2. So the magnitude it's equal to 2a over k pi, and angle equal to minus pi over 2. لاحظ الحين magnitude a k magnitude equal to 2a divided by k pi. We draw this one. This is k. Okay, لا ننسى important here. That k belongs to odd, بس حق الأود. And also k, it is from minus infinity to plus infinity. The two important things. So then we have the right and the left. Okay, when the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Similarly here, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, and minus 6. طيب ما يحتاج أجرب الإيفن. So even it is directly equal to 0. So at 2, 4, 6. Similarly with a minus. Okay, at 1, it is equal to 2a divided by 1 pi. So this is 2a divided by pi. And let me name this one أي شيء أي حرف gamma مثلا. Okay, at 3, then it is equal to 2a over pi, which is gamma divided by 3. So here it is equal to gamma divided by 3. Okay, at 5, then again 2a over pi divided by 5. So this is here gamma divided by 5. Then we have gamma divided by 7 and so on. Okay, what's about the angle? So this is magnitude, AK angle. This is K, again here, 0. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. Again, with the angle of K, it's equal to 0 for even. So here 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, لاحظ هنا. So here we assume that K, so the first part, K is positive. So then we'll get minus pi over 2. So then here at 1, it is equal to minus pi over 2. At 3, again equal to minus pi over 2. 5 minus pi over 2, it's constant. Okay, when k is negative, okay, so then ak will be equal to 2a divided by j k pi, but we have a negative. Then this one, if you take this one up, then it becomes minus j minus minus, it becomes plus j 2a over k pi. So then magnitude will be exactly the same. So then it is 2a over k pi. Okay, but angle it's equal to pi over 2. So when K is negative, then we will get exactly same magnitude, but for even, but angle it's equal to positive pi over 2. So at minus 1, then we get exactly same magnitude. At minus 3, then we'll get again here pi over 3. 5, we'll get pi over 5, and so on. While for the angle, we'll get positive pi over 2, which is positive 90. So here we'll get pi over 2, pi over 2, pi over 2 for all odd. Okay, شنو هذه الماgnitude. Okay, this is magnitude here. While this one, we call it phase, or we call it angle. Okay, الاثنين صح. Or angle. Okay, so اوكي اكثر شيء نستخدم الفيز اكثر من الانجل، بس بعض الاحيان بيوز انجل. طيب this is magnitude of A, this is angle of A. So دائما هذين يجون على شكل magnitude or angle. It is same as يعني مثل الامبلس. اوكي مثل الامبلس في in discrete. So these all together we call it يعني spectrum. Okay, so spectrum. بعض الأحيان we call يعني we need only one of these. We need only magnitude spectrum or phase spectrum. So if the question is plot the spectrum of the signal, then you need to go to form number 1. Okay. فإذا السؤال we want to plot spectrum of x of t, then you need to use form number 1. ما عندك choice تروح إلى form number 2. يعني إذا حليت form number 2, then you need to find a k from alpha and beta. So if it is given or you have a solution for form number 2 or form number 3, then you need to find a small of k. From a small of k, then you need to find magnitude and angle. Okay, then you can draw the spectrum. Okay, sometimes we need only magnitude spectrum. Sometimes we need to find both magnitude and phase spectrum. It is very easy, actually. If you notice here, for a magnitude, it is always even. So it means that you can concentrate on positive. Okay, ارسم هذه الطرف الأيمن, then just repeat whatever you have on the right hand side to the left hand side. And angle, it is always odd symmetry. So again, just to draw here the positive side and repeat the second or the negative side with a negative. فهنا حصلت minus pi over 2, then here we get pi over 2. Okay, if you want to see the waveform x of t, this one, then you need to use oscilloscope. Okay, if you want to see spectrum, then you need to use spectrum analyzer. الشكل نفس الشيء بتشوف إذا عندي I have it عندي بس I don't know where نشوف يعني اوكي هذه السبيكترم انالايزر. اوكي السبيكترم انالايزر يعني the one that we have it in the lab, it is only magnitude spectrum analyzer, and it's draw only from zero, starting from zero for a positive. So negative, as we said, that it is exactly the same. So it's only draw from k equal to 0 to k equal to infinity. You will get something like this. Okay, so this is what we have in the lab. كان هذه هو spectrum analyzer. So if you want to see spectrum of AK, then you need to use spectrum analyzer. If you want to see waveform, then you need to use oscilloscope. Okay, oscilloscope يعطيك x of t, ولكن spectrum analyzer you will get A of k, magnitudes. Okay. Okay. لاحظ. When k is equal to 1, so we will get this one. هذه at 1, we call it, it is a fundamental omega naught. Okay, while for a 3 it is 3 omega naught, 5 omega naught, and so on. All these we call it harmonics. أما هذه هي الأساس، هي الفundamental. Okay, so from the spectrum analyzer, you can see the effect of the harmonic, of the third harmonic, for example, fifth harmonic, seventh harmonic. Is it small or it is يعني الeffect مالتها it's very واضحة. Okay, so then we sometimes we need to get rid of some harmonics. ليش؟ لأن الأساس هي this. Okay, الfundamental. So from spectrum analyzer, it is يعني help us to know that if there is some harmonic, and what is the magnitude of the harmonic. يعني بعض الأحيان at 3 it is very small, at 5 very small. It's okay. So compare with the fundamental, it's very small. So I don't need to connect a filter or anything. But if it is large harmonic معناته فيها losses. So to reduce this losses, then you need a filter to pass only fundamental one and reduce the effect of harmonics or losses. واضح؟ فانتبه في السؤال sometimes يعني we need only magnitude or we need only phase, or if the question is just sketch spectrum of x of t, then you need to plot the magnitude and phase. Okay, now let me take general question for Fourier series. Example. X of t Okay, here it's 2, 4, 6, and so on. This is 1, and the function is equal to e to the power of minus 2t. طيب, we want to find Fourier series coefficients. Okay, Fourier series coefficients, it means that directly AK. Or إذا كان the question like this, find the Fourier series coefficient, or sketch the spectrum. فكلهم هذين same question. It means that the best is to use form number 1. Okay, form number 1, coefficient spectrum. Again, you don't need to find all x of t. ما يحتاج يطلع كل ال x of t, because to draw the spectrum we need AK. ما بكل شيء, AK. Okay, to find the coefficient, it means that we need AK only. Okay, فما يحتاج اكتب كل الفورمز. So we know that x of t is equal to summation of AK e to the power of jk omega naught t, k from minus infinity to infinity. But I want to find AK. Okay, what is AK? It is 1 over t integration from minus infinity, from 0 to t of x of t e to the power of minus jk omega naught t dt. Okay, حتى لو السؤال ما مش spectrum or coefficient, هذه ما فيها odd or even. Okay, إذا خيارك أنت, it is your choice, then use form number 1. Okay, unless if you see some symmetry here, then form number 2 will be easier. لكن ما فيه symmetry, then go for form number 1. السؤال لو find Fourier series x of t for this one, or find coefficient, or sketch spectrum analyzer, the best form is to go to form number 1 and find AK first. طبعا إذا ما يبي Fourier series, then you don't need to write x of t, just it's enough to find AK. طيب, what is AK here? It is 1 over period. So 1 over t. T, it is equal to 2 here. Integration from 0 to 2 of e to the power of minus 2t multiplied by e to the power of minus jk omega naught dt, where omega naught equal to 2 pi divided by 2, which is equal to pi radian per second. So it's 1 over t, integration from 0 to t. Just add these two together, so we can take a minus common. So from here we have 2 plus jk and omega equal to 2. So omega equal to pi, sorry, t dt. So it is equal to e to the power of minus 2 plus jk pi divided by 2 plus jk pi, and here 1. We have a minus also, so just 0 and from 0 to 2, sorry, this is 2. طيب. So this is equal to 2 plus jk pi, and here when t equal to 0, this is equal to 1 minus. When t equal to 2, then here we have minus, say 4 plus j k 2 pi k. طيب, خلينا نشوف what is this one before we continue. Well, e to the power of, it is minus 4 multiplied by e to the power of minus j 2 pi okay, k I can put it here. طيب, 2 pi is the same as 0. Okay, so whether it's minus or plus, so minus 2 pi, it is لفة كاملة, so 360. So it is same as 0, then this is equal to 1. So to the power of k, always equal to 1. So then this part, it is equal to e to the power of minus 4 multiplied by 1. So then this is constant. So here is only minus 4. طيب. Then the question only coefficient, then this is the coefficient for Fourier series, so AK. If you want to find the x of t, then just substitute this one in x of t here, then you have it. If the question is to draw a spectrum, then you need to find two things, magnitude and angle. What is the magnitude of this? Tell me magnitude. AK magnitude equal to the complex number. So if you have عندك R1 angle theta 1 divided by R2 angle theta 2, okay, then magnitude it is equal to R1 divided by R2 هاي بداية السنة هذه, and angle equal to theta 1 minus theta 2. Okay, so then magnitude of numerator is equal to 1 minus e to the power of minus 4, هذه real. Okay, magnitude of 2, it is 2. Magnitude of this one, this is x plus jy, so then x squared under root x squared, which is 4, plus k pi all square. Okay, what is the angle of this one? Angle of AK equal to angle of numerator, it is 0. Angle of 2, again 0. So then we have only angle of this, so it is minus tan inverse of k pi divided by 2. Right? Now you can plot the spectrum for this one. So لاحظ إن it is for all k now. It is not only for the even part or for odd part. No, it's for all. So this is my k, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Okay, when k equal to 0, just substitute here. When k equal to 0, then it is 1 minus e to the power of minus 4 divided by 2 multiplied by 2, so it is 4. So you have something like this here. Okay, at 1, substitute 1 for sure that it is clear that the denominators becomes bigger, so then the magnitude will be smaller, and the 1 become like this. And when you increase to 2, then here for sure that this becomes smaller, 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 and so on. As we say that, you can repeat it here. So, but again, when you put minus, so minus again square, so it becomes positive. So you will get same thing, same whatever you get at 1, you will get it at minus 1. Okay, or repeat same whatever you have on the left hand side, repeat it to the right hand side, and that's all. This is magnitude. كل اللي عليك انك انت تسوي الكالكوليشن for this one. Okay, what's about the angle? وهذه مثل ما قلنا it is even symmetry. So this is k 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 احنا ماشيين. Similarly, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Okay, again here clear when k is very large, then it becomes some number or 1 minus e to the power of minus 4 divided by very large number, which is infinity. So then it's going to approach 0, تقريبا بتصير قيمتها 0. طيب when k is positive at 0, then tan inverse 0 is equal to 0. Then when k equal to 1, it is tan inverse pi over 2. So you will get something here. At 2, then it's going to increase a little bit. 3 is going to increase a little bit. 4 becomes a little bit higher. Okay, when k it's very large, so then it becomes tan inverse infinity. And tan inverse infinity, it is equal to 90 multiplied by minus, so it is minus 90. So then at the end, بتحصل هنا constant, which is pi over 2. Similarly, whatever we have on the right, just repeat it on the left, or you can put a minus here, but tan of minus multiplied by minus, you will get plus. So repeat whatever you have here as a positive. Z, okay, Z until you reach to 90 degrees pi over 2. وبعدين تستمر pi over 2, pi over 2, and so on. So this is a spectrum. واضح. Any question? Okay. Let me take another example. أنا عندي بشرح لكم عن الأسايمنت. أنا ناخذ بارت منه ونكمل next lecture. This is my x of t. From here to here, this is t. This is t over 2. And here a, this is minus a. So this is general triangular. What is the best way to solve this one? شنو الأفضل؟ أفضل طريقة to solve it. Okay, الأفضل اللي هي هذه it is clear, this is odd symmetry. Okay, since it is odd, then the best is form number 2. Form number 2, it is equal x of t equal to a naught plus summation of alpha k cosine k omega naught t plus beta k sine k omega naught t. K from 1 to infinity. Okay, why I'm saying this is the best? Because this is x of t is odd symmetry, which means that directly a not equal to 0, alpha equal to 0, which means that just we need to find beta. Okay, but finding beta, beta k, it's equal to, it is odd, so then it is 4 over t, integration from 0 to t over 2 of x of t sine k omega naught t dt. Okay, if you look here, so from 0 to t over 2, it means that from here to here. Okay, so we need the equation of x of t. Equation of this, y-intercept equal to 0, slope equal to a, t over 4. Okay, then slope equal to a divided by t over 4, which is 4a divided by t. 4a divided by t multiplied by t. Okay, لاحظ هنا هذه just parts. Okay, so mean that we need to split this one into 2. So it is equal to 4 over t integration from 0 to t over 4 of 4a divided by t sine k omega naught t dt plus integration from t over 4 to t over 2 Again, we need to find equation for this one. Okay, let's stop again. It is t over 2 minus t over 4, and here we have a. So again, it is equal to 4a divided by t, but with a minus. T and x-intercept, it is equal to t over 2. So then here we have 4a over t minus طبعا t minus t over 2 multiplied by sine k omega naught t dt. Okay, then we need to continue with this one. But before we continue, even though this is very easy, but in the integration you need هذه t طبعا نسينا t هذه. So here you will get t multiplied by sine. So to solve this one by calculus, you need to use integration by parts. Similarly here you have a t multiplied by sine. بعد لازم تحلها by using integration by parts. الأفضل من هذه to avoid doing integration by parts مو صعب لكن الأفضل والأسهل shortcut method is to change this triangle to square. And how we can do this by using derivative. Okay, so then here we have positive, here negative, positive, negative, and so on. So this is first derivative. Then take second derivative. So then you will get impulses. Okay, so here you get one impulse, here you get another, here you get third, and so on. This is second derivative of t. So then find a of k double tilde here. Okay, but what we want a k for x of t. Now it's very easy. It is just since it is second derivative, so a k is equal to a k double tilde divided by j omega naught k all square. Okay, by this way, in the integration, just you have integration of f of t delta t minus t naught dt. And this is very easy, or from 0 to t. It's very easy to integrate it. It's just you need to evaluate f of t at t naught. I will leave this one for you. Do it yourself. Okay, so work it with by using the properties of differentiation. And this part, again, continue with integration by parts. Just let me remind you about how to do this. This is t, and here we have sine k omega naught t. Okay, so here we use differentiation, so it becomes 1. Then second, it becomes 0. Here we use integration. So this is sine k omega naught t. Then integration, it becomes cosine k omega naught t divided by, it's with respect to t, then it is k omega naught with a minus. Okay, second, again, integrate this one. Then integration of cosine is becomes sine k omega naught t divided by again k omega naught, so it becomes k omega naught multiplied by k omega naught, then it becomes square. So then we multiplied this two, okay, positive, and this two with a negative, and here with a positive again, but this is multiplied by 0. So then this part you can take 4 divided by t as a common outside, so then it becomes 16a divided by t squared. And inside, which is t sine, it becomes minus 1 over k omega naught cosine k omega naught t. هذه first one. And second becomes plus 1 over k omega naught all squared sine k omega naught t. Okay, from 0 to t over 4. Similarly, for the second one, but here we have a minus, and 4a divided by t multiplied by 4t, so we can take all this as a common, so minus. But here we have t minus t over 2, so when you have t minus t over 2, it is just the first one we multiplied by this, but the second derivative, it is equal to again 1. Derivative of this one, it is equal to 1. So then you will get here I t multiplied, sorry, this is t multiplied. The t multiplied by this one. Okay, now we will get minus t over 2 divided by k omega naught cosine k omega naught t, and plus 1 over k omega naught all squared sine k omega naught t. Okay, from t over 4 to t over 2. Just you need to solve this one. أنا بالعمالة سويت هذه because I want to show you sometime you are going to face integration by parts, how to handle this one. I think I have final solution. Okay, if you continue here, you will get 8a divided by k pi all square sine pi over 2 k.
دكتور داخل الكوساين.
نعم.
التي داخل الكوساين والساين ما بنغيرهم؟
اي تي.
ايه
هذا لأن بعوض الحين ده بعوض مرة تي اوفر 4 ومرة بزيرو، وهني بعوض مرة بتي اوفر 2 ومرة بتي اوفر 4. ففي النهاية إذا حليت هاي كالكولس، بس ما يبي لنا نضيع وقتنا بعد، فكالكولس مجرد تعويض، ففي النهاية بيطلع لك 8a over k pi all square sin pi over 2k.
اوكي
واضح؟ طيب هني الحين إذا عوضت،
لا اللي قصدي أنا إن أنت عوضت أول شيء بدل تي حطيت تي ماينس تي أوفر 2 صح؟
وين؟
قبل الكوساين.
هني
إيه.
اي لأن البارت هذه تس t minus t over 2، فإذا هذه multiplied by derivative of second، بعدين derivative of this multiplied by sine. هذه الانتجريشن باي بارتس، هذه أو إنك أنت تحط هني t minus t over 2 يعني.
اوكي
تمام. طيب . لاحظ هنا الحين إذا K even شوف شو يصير في الساين. So الساين even يعني 2 مثلا then this is equal to sine 0 لأن 2 بتروح مع 2 فبتصير sine pi. إذا كان 4 then it's again equal to 0 and so on. صارت 12. Okay, I'm going to stop here. You can continue, but I'm going to continue from here. So just I want to show you assignment 2 قبل خلص الوقت. أعطوني دقائق بس. المهم أنا يعني اللي ودي في هذه قبل ما أطلع إن أول شيء سووا باي باس تأكدوا إن في النهاية توصلون إلى هذه النتيجة. Second, work with this one وهذه وايد أسهل بتشوفونه وايد سهل. It is just differentiation وبعدين يعني إذا تعودت على أشكال من هالقبيل اللي تستخدم الديفرنشيشن بتشوف روحك دائما بتستخدم ذي. ليش؟ لأن هذه ما في integration. It is just evaluation. So just you need to evaluate here. يعني حاول تسويه بهذه الطريقة مثل ما حلينا احنا رحنا from square إلى pulses and we solve it last lecture. الحين أنت بس عندك خطوة زيادة اللي هو تسوي derivative of triangle توصل إلى السكوير ومن السكوير خلاص صارت نفس اللكتشر السابقة نفس المثال السابق. أوكي فسوى بهذه وكمل دي مفروض تطلع هنا نفس الناتج. المرة الحصة القادمة ببدأ بذي نبي نرسم السبيكترم also. هذه طبعا البيتا بس مطلوب السبيكترم فلازم نحولها لإيه فخلوها الحين. المهم حاولوا توصلون إلى هذه النتيجة. خلنا نسوي شير سكرين. Okay, assignment number 2 بيكون على الأسبوع القادم غالبا يوم الثلاثاء. يعني still you have 1 week. Okay, ثلاثاء العصر. أظن يكون مناسب وقت اللعب لأن نبي نتفق أيضا مع السكشن الثاني والثالث. إن شاء الله يكون أوكي بالنسبة لكم. طيب شنو اللي عندي هني؟ اللي عندي الآتي. هذه على الكونفوليوشن وين اللي نكتب هني؟ this اوكي. طيب طبعا الاساينمنت كويز ما بيكون نفس الشيء اوكي but something similar. شنو عندي هنا؟ عندي x of n هذه على الديسكريت. فعندك x of n given this function اوكي في الاختبار ممكن يكون another function فعندك هذه ال x of n. اوكي بعدين عندي it's added with another function which is x z of n. علشان addition معناته لازم استخدم other يسمونها هذه. So this is plus. Okay, this is a plus. So here we have z of n. يهني الاوتبوت اوكي يقول name الاوتبوت as wn. So this is wn. اوكي المطلوب plot. plot wn. Okay, after this, result of this one, take it to the filter x of n, h of n. So here we have h of n, and this is my output y of n. Okay, طبعا how to find y of n, we need to use convolution. So y of n, خلي في بالك ان it's equal to w of n convolved with h of n. So we use convolution. Convolution very easy, very easy. طبعا هذه بيكون عندك vector of w، ارقام كذي داخل هذه، وهذه ارقام vector. So then convolution here, it is very easy. هذه في الماتلاب it is just conv. Okay, القيمة w, h. That's all. وبعدين مطلوب الرسم. طبعا الرسم مو ببلوت هنا تستخدمه، لازم تستخدم الرسم مال السبيكترم. هذه كل المطلوب. زين في الاختبار هل نفس الشيء كذي؟ لا، ممكن. المهم الفكرة نفس الشيء. addition بعدين convolution. اوكي، او convolution بعدين addition. ممكن يكون أكثر من 1، وهذه خذناهم سابقا، 1 ورا الثانية ورا الثالثة. So you need to use 2-3 times convolution. Okay, ممكن يكون result of this يعني مثلا another one. Okay, convolution of this, then we add it to another one, then we convolve with a new function. ففي النهاية we need to find y of n، وكل اللي أحتاج أستخدمه addition, subtraction، so جمع وطرح 2، وأيضا أحتاج أستخدم الكونفوليوشن، بس بغض النظر شنو الشكل اللي يعني. لكن هذا شيء تدريبي عشان تتعلمه، لكن في الاختبار ما بيكون بالضبط نفس الشيء. أوكي، الفانكشن بيكونوا مختلفين، الشكل بيكون مختلف، هذا يمكن يهني وهذا يهني. اوكي، we add third one. المهم لازم تعرف شلون انت تسوي الفكرة. اي سؤال هنا على الاساينمنت؟ نو؟ اوكي، بطرش لكم الورقة الحين بحطها لكم على الجروب، او بحطها في البلاك بورد. حد عنده شيء؟
دكتور، كم مدة الكويز بيكون؟ أسامة الكويز؟
والله ما حددنا للحين يعني، لكن كالمعتاد يعني ما بيزيد، ما بيكون اوبن تايم يعني، على حسب السؤال والأسئلة هذه بناخذ الافريج. لكن الفكرة بسيطة جدا، ما فيه شيء، فيه انك ترسم. اوكي، ترسم بالديسكريت، وايضا تسوي اديشن الفيكتورز، وهذه تعلمتها انت في 204، وسهلة بالماتلاب، مجرد جمع. والشيء الثالث انك تسوي كونفوليوشن، وكونفوليوشن ما يحتاج تكتب برنامج فيه، هو شيء جاهز في الماتلاب، بس تستخدم الكوماند وانتهى الامر. واضح؟ احنا قبل ما نبدا الكويز طبعا بنقعد بنقول الكويز هالكثر وقته، وعندك هالكثر سؤال، وعندك وين بيكون الكويز، في التيمز ولا في البلاك بورد. فعندنا التايم للاسبوع القادم يوم الثلاثاء. يوم الثلاثاء وقت اللعب ساعة كم؟ 2 ولا 4؟ واحد يذكرنا. أنا أفتح الجدول. أوكي، أنا بفتح 4. فإذا بيكون من 4 مبدئيا. خلينا نقول من 4 ل4:10. يمكن نحتاج شوية أكثر أو شوية أقل، بعدين نقدر إحنا نضبط روحنا. أي سؤال آخر؟ اوكي خلوني بعد اشوف النتيجة مالت الفورم. اوكي معظم الطلاب قالوا average او يعني الأقل قالوا difficult، البعض قال very easy which is good. في عندهم البعض عنده others I don't